Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to check if your face is a model face on TikTok. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So this effect is called golden ratio of face, and this will find out if you have a model face or not. So you'll get a score of 0 to 100. Apparently, if you score over 70, then you have a face of a model. So let's go ahead and let's see if you have a face of a model. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on search. So you're searching for golden ratio of face. And now in the search results, you want to go ahead and tap on the video that is doing the trend, or that is using the effect. Scroll up, and within that you're looking for this effect here, golden ratio of face. So go ahead and tap on it. This effect looks like this. Now to use it, tap on use this effect here at the bottom. This will now take you into TikTok's recording screen. You need to show your face to the camera, and as you can see, there'll be some lines appearing on screen, and it'll work out according to your face. So it'll separate your forehead, your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. So once you're ready, tap on the record button. This will now start to analyze your face. It'll do a vertical test, and it'll do a horizontal test. Next, it'll do the under the mouth test, and now it'll give you a score. So there you go, I scored 70 on the golden ratio of face. And there you go, that is how to check if your face is a model face on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.